Hello guys, it's me, JJ, Beyblade Master GT, and today we're doing some Beyblade unboxing review. Now here is Galaxy Pegasis W105R2F attack guy. Now let's get this unboxing started. Alright, I finally got him out. Now here is a Beyblade sticker of Galaxy Pegasus. Here is a Beyblade manual of Galaxy Pegasus. And then here's the bait tool, color of black. So now here's the name of this Beyblade unboxing box. Now here is baseball of Pegasus. Here is energy ring of Pegasus. Here is fusion wheel of Galaxy. Here is spin track of W105, which is called Wing 105. And last, here is performance tip is R2F, which is called rubber right flap. Time to set up all together. Here is the name of this Beyblade unboxing. This Galaxy Pegasus W105R2F. I hope you guys thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to comment below and please subscribe.